How to create the best digital products in your niche.
So again, with digital products, you're teaching a basic skill. So if someone has problems on their computer, you can easily teach them, okay, Control M is on the MacBook, Control Alt Delete is this, Control that, Escape is this. You can actually put those printables and you can teach basic 101 of computers. And you don't know, but some people would need that checklist. And guess what? Some people have that where they print it. You could do printables like stickers. Stickers are actually really popular. You can get a sticker where that person has the basic Control Alt, and when people type really fast, they want that kind of stuff. You have to pay attention to like FAQs and what people need. A lot of people have those stickers and they put them on their keyboard, and in that way, when they're doing customer service, they could just. I have a lot of friends that do this. They are techs, like computer geeks, computer techs, but we're not. That's a rude word. They're computer like tech friendly. So they have the little cheat code on here, and you can make stickers for that and charge $3.99 for those stickers. And let me tell you, almost 500 people buy stickers at $2.99. That's $1,000. So that's why I'm teaching this, and then I'm showing you to put smart goals around it. People need those stickers, So anyways, when I explain how SMART goals provide clarity, direction, and measurable progress in digital product creation, when you have these stickers, you're going to start your goals ahead of time. My goal by the end of this 6 months is to sell about 100K stickers. I think that's very advanced, but if they're at $2.99 and you find your niche, now you're going to have to really niche down. Okay, I'm being a little bit of a visionary. However, if I'm selling 100K those stickers, who would be my demographic? I can't be on no fix it, change it, where I'm going after single moms, or I'm going after, people that don't know computer. If they don't know computer, they're actually going to live in more fear. What I'm going after is the tech world. I'm going after people that are on the phone 24/7 and they're closing about 200, 500 calls a day. And I'm like, look, I want to service you. I want to be of service. Guess what? I have these stickers. You stick them on your keyboard and I can optimize your time at about 30 minutes. So if you're closing deals, 500 people, I can advance that to almost 700 people with this sticker right here. And that is how you set your SMART goals. You learn that you are clear on your niche, and you're clear because you're like, I'm closing 100K individuals by 6 months. Here's how I'm going to do it.